Oh, wow.
He loves your cookies. How about the milk? Did he love that?
He didn't leave any. He drank all of it.
Oh,
So? What did he leave you?
Fruit. He leaves me what I wanted.
What did he leave you, Mr. Cohen?
And that. He even gave me clothes and shoes.
Awesome. Cohen, you're doing awesome. Look at you.
Guess what? Santa even gave him a scooter.
Oh,
Yay!
Look at this helmet.
that is awesome.
Mine. Santa gave you this. This is the best Christmas ever.
Can you try it on?
Look. Mine. Oh, where's my stocking?
It's right behind your toys.
Oh. Mom, spray.
That's foaming soap for the bath.
Oh.
Cohen, you look so good on that. Look at you go.